Well, if you count the screen printing years, started in screen printing shops in 87 or 88, something like that. And then started selling in 1993. What I like about it is, I guess there's two sides of it. One side's the inside screen printing part. What did I like about that? Once again, it's a very good industry to pay the bills in. It seemed pretty strong, and it stayed strong, even though people were worried about things going overseas. In the sales part, what I like about the industry is I get to travel. So I don't go to the same place every day for work, and it's a neat challenge. Stick with one frame size. Of course, buy M&R, all M&R, but put us to the test. Don't just, okay, he seems like a nice guy, they've got good prices. I mean, we're glad to back up what we say. The most annoying thing is we sell the most expensive stuff in the industry on paper, but over the long term, the 10-year investment, the 15-year investment, it's the cheapest thing. You know, a lot of people would think what's annoying is, you know, screen print shops have to be dirty and messy. That's the way a screen printing shop is. It just has to be that way under certain conditions. It doesn't have to be that way, but in some conditions, if you stopped a screen print press operation every time the floor got dirty, you'd never get your jobs done, and then you'd be out of business. So there's a fine line between it. The Trilog system. And that's if you want me to go into that a little bit, it's because screen printing t-shirts, you have a 6-screen job. If all of them are out just a little bit, which one do you move? So the system with M&R and the Trilog system is geared off the physics of the machine being in registration itself. And then we use that in the same 3 contact points, and it makes setup so much easier.